Today's wine text is the 2014 Castello Dei Rampolla Alceo. So guys, I mean, if there's a wine that I'm telling you to buy at a ridiculous discount that is much more special than most of the wines that we do, more collectible, definitely on the super high end, this is definitely one of them. It kind of reminds me of that Noreno that we did in the past where it was, you know, $250 at a massive discount. This is another one of those great examples. So this is a super small production wine. This is made in Tuscany, and it is the definition of a Super Tuscan. This family's been around, the same bloodline on the farm since the mid 1700s, and then right around 1960, the owner at the time decided that he wanted to grow and make amazing wine. He hired an amazing winemaker, and they came in, and they were the first people within their village to grow Cabernet Sauvignon, and one of the first people ever to blend it with Sangiovese. So this is kind of a really historic property and a really historic wine. This is one of their top bottlings. I know the retail price is through the roof, and it gets unbelievable ratings every year. 2014, I'm assuming is going to be big, robust. It's still really young. Easily a wine, if you want to open it now, you're going to want to decant it for a long time. But a wine that you're going to be able to consume and enjoy probably over the next 10 to 20 years. I was just talking to Brandon upstairs. We're talking about all you guys trying all different wines. You probably have a stock. I know I'm getting emails and all kinds of messages from people on social media that they have so much wine and so many cool stuff. This is the one you're going to want to tuck up in the corner and really save for a special occasion. On the nose, you get a ton of dark fruit, really bruised plum, a lot of dark cherry, really dark blackberry things going on. A lot of this kind of cassis, a little bit of this black licorice, really rich nose. But a lot of spice and a lot of vanilla as well. Whenever I taste a wine like this, right off the bat, I know it needed some air. I think I just opened it a couple minutes ago. This is a wine that really needs to roll in. The tannins are really tight. The acidity is really kind of aggressive and kind of in your face. But the fruit notes are massive. It kind of hides the kind of elegance that this wine is really meant to drink in. Super high structure. Lots of black cherry. The black raspberry or the blackberry thing comes through way more. And definitely this really almost like dark plum liqueur. Big, massive kind of, body structure. This is maybe the best wine we've done so far. Definitely for cellaring, special occasions. You want to save this for a few more years, or like I said, definitely get some air into it. I'm going to taste this for the next 15 minutes and really enjoy how this opens up. They only make about 550 cases, with only 200 of them get imported in the U.S., really special bottling for you guys. I'm really pumped to be able to bring wines like this to you, and enjoy.